ordered one margarita,
You
you know,
are
the
more
frozen.
strong. No problem if you want to make it strong. For you. Kasi if she's a lady, maybe she don't like the strong one. She can.
This lady is stronger than a man.
Ah, that's good. Ah, you want
She
one
says
more?
that's good. Now you want margarita, you want something? What do you want? Just one, you know, like a beer, you know what it is. I don't know what it is, gin, whatever inside. What do you want? What do you want then? They always make this excuse. There are the lady, because you know all these ladies over here, they don't want to get drunk, you know, they want to keep drinking. Huh? Yeah, but just gotta put some else on, man. That's it, how much?
Wala kami mga movies. Because it's not fast moving. All the time, our drinks.
What is the fast movie?
Daiquiri. Strawberry daiquiri, mango daiquiri,
You want to try that?
piña colada, Bloody Mary.
What is like for the ladies drink, but a little strong? What is good for the ladies? Yeah, not too much. They're not gonna give you too much for the price. Anyway, don't worry about that.
Yeah, what do you want?
No, what is lady drink?
I don't need to tell all
Oh, this your lady drink?
Yeah, that's all.
You said pina colada is lady drink. I drank pina colada yesterday. She made me lady. I drank yesterday. I'm not lady.
We serve anything as long as you request.
She just required a small now. You said you don't have.
Yeah, that's the one thing that you want.
Yeah,
But the other thing,
she requested
except
another.
the other one that I said already, right? I told you everything already.
Everything already.
Besides,
What do you want? That's yours. Daiquiri? Strawberry? Strawberry daiquiri? Make sure you put it in alcohol. Huh? No, you think it's business. Really? They're going to give you?
Yeah, but you know, some of them teasing you,
Give me some tissues. Sweat cake.
one of the ladies standing there. They say only to do that in the video.
Which school are you over there?
Yeah, it's not her. I was doing that. You come close to me to her.
So yeah, the video.
Yeah, it is video.
If they don't like who told you to come here, go there. Right? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You cannot tell us anything. It's a public place. You don't want to be evil. I was walking almost to the end, another girl, you know. The two girls, another girl comes from it. You know? As soon as they look at them, they smile and they think that's it.
So I ate tapsilog last night.
Oh yeah.
So
You ate
we
last
ate
night?
egg this morning. So I said, I don't know what we're gonna eat today.
They can buy, if they want pizza, let them buy pizza. It'll last them 2 days. Oh, but yeah, we have. If you talk to Yum Yum or while they tell him get money from Yum Yum, I should be over there, 1770, not 70, get 150. But tomorrow's cool. He has face to face tomorrow, right?
No, it's not sure. That's why I keep saying
No, even tomorrow is not sure. Why don't you check the messenger?
I tell him, every day.
No, why don't you check the messenger?
I cannot open his messenger. But he went to school this morning.
And then no school, no class.
Yeah, and the guy said, but he still get Joshua.
Oh yeah. But then Joshua waited outside? How did he come back?
Joshua. Oh, as long as he go inside, then the guy said that no class.
So yeah, I mean, just tell them, you know, whoever the 70 in his pocket, be school, not school, whatever, what can I say? Today was Tuesday, so tomorrow Wednesday, yeah, 70. What? Even at this time, the Rajani girl, same city, same everything. Yeah, I'm walking with one girl, you know, I'm walking, she comes across this, you know, she's smiling, I look at her, she does. I just think that, you know. Now I'm coming back, she thought maybe, oh, I'm going to get her. She's looking at me, it's not that good looking. I guess it's okay. It's okay, we're hungry. She's here. You know, this girl looks like Rufina. Look at her face. They were standing over there. Look at her face. Look at her face. Look at her face. What? What?
Medyo malap.
Okay.
Pinitig malap.
Check it there. Look at this cat now. Look at this cat, so cute. No?
I know, nice color.
He's gonna say 5,000.
Who's gonna buy foreigner here?
No.
You're traveling.
Yeah, so first of all, I mean, you cannot take it with you wherever, over here. But people don't want it. I mean, you come here to enjoy, not to take care of animals and children and all that. So yeah, that's why their price is high, so they make one sale and it covers them the week. So for them it's free. Oh well, just food. It's food. Really cute. Look at all the young. Let's see how much it goes. Certainly our clothes need washing. Marked up by Mery after today. Oh yeah, you asked me if I'm hungry. No, by the time you go, yeah, I'll eat. The only thing I can see that I have to go back. Okay. It's up to you, baby. I know you want to sleep outside over here on the road. It's okay, whatever you want. 24 hours, bring your credit card. That's it. But they don't take credit cards, so that's it. Go wash this and that. That's it. Very easy. Easy solution. Huh? Are you going to come back here? Yeah. I think you should just walk a little bit. Look at this girl body. Just walk a little bit, I think, at that time. Sitting is already become. So walk a bit, just come and do 10-15 minutes. That's it. They get bored. Oh, girls! I was going to say, okay, Bakla. What if I say, okay, Bakla? Alright? Then she'd be upset. Let me see. But you should stir also, because then they'll call the pot. They don't know this lady can drink. They always make excuse. Wait, it. I think yeah. It has a bit. It will be cheaper at all anyway. Wait, after you finish, I'm going to say, what did you put in? My girlfriend got drunk now. I'm going to take her home. Oh, these are, fruit here.
I think it looks like a sushi or something.
I thought like over there too.
Yeah, the color looks like a light green.
I thought they had another guy with him and he's pulling guy to go in the bar. I thought the same, but no, I don't think so. I mean, to be honest, I can't recognize right away if I see him also. You know what I mean? Like just walking over him, may not even recognize. So I know he's kind of short like me, but I saw, he's telling the other guy, going in a bar right up there.
Yeah.
But yeah, make him nice out here. But tomorrow we're still here, the following day, so if they want to say hello or whatever. Yeah, this I can taste. That's so cute. Especially the grayish cat, So cute, the grayish cat. Other sexy chick. Oh, we just came behind you. So look at the other one which I'm telling you. It looks like. They saw her, they were standing over there.